should be carried on tradition by tradition. And this is our attempt that we want to join the growing generation with the past generation. This is that one.
तो कैसा लगता है इस प्रोग्राम में आप लोग सब
अच्छा लगता है. We are among the organizers. So the feel of the community is very nice. Our relatives, all of us are living relatives, our family, they have come from very far places. And it's very nice that we enjoy a lot here. Now you are going to witness, all we are going to witness. So you will see the energy level. You have to just give, you have to just praise and you have to encourage the energy level of the most vibrant culture of the world, right? And we first, please kindly allow that let us begin the program.